Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on video recording mode in photo mode. So if you're in your photo mode and you want to start recording a video, the normal way of doing this is to switching to video mode and then going ahead and pressing the record button. However, you can turn on a feature where if you're in photo mode, you can go ahead and long press and this will start to record your video. So you can long press a shutter in photo mode to instantly start recording a video. So this way you never miss a spontaneous moment. Quickly switch from photo to video without changing the modes. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and tap on the 4 dots. Next, tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find video recording in photo mode, which is right here. Touch and hold the shutter button to record a video in photo mode. Turn this feature on, go back. And now when you're in photo mode, you can go ahead and long press and this will start your video. You can go ahead and take it up and this will keep recording the video. Now if you want to stop recording, tap stop and then this will take you back to photo mode. A tip here is basically you can long press and just holding it up. This will then start to record a video and you don't need to hold on to record a video. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the video recording mode in the photo mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.